One of the most frequently questions both new and non-vegans asked is how to make easy vegan meals that don't involve costly meat replacements or strange ingredients. Especially now that many people are doing more cooking from home, having some ideas for lazy vegan recipes made with normal pantry items seems like a good idea. In this video, a brief list of super easy vegan meals compiled, most of which can be prepared in less than 30 minutes. Some in less than 5 minutes. They are tasty, affordable, vegan, and can be made from ingredients you probably already have in your pantry. So without further ado, let's start. This video is sponsored by a vegan cookbook that I suggest you buy to make delicious meals during your vegetarian diet so you do not get tired of this diet. I put the link to get acquainted with Vegan Cookbook in the description of this video. Hi there. You'll love these easy vegan recipes because they're quick and easy, simple and straightforward, perfect for lazy days, ideal for beginners, vegan or vegetarian, cheap, kid-friendly, allergy-friendly, delicious, plus many contain 5 ingredients or less. Easy vegan breakfasts. Breakfast. The most important meal of the day, as they used to say. And there is some truth to it. But one thing I love about mornings is how fresh and new everything feels. Starting the day off on a healthy and filling note is such a simple way to set the tone for the rest of the day. But most of us don't want to spend a lot of time making breakfast. Thankfully, there are so many plant-based options that we can either prep ahead of time or throw together in minutes. Here are some easy breakfast. Number 1. Avocado toast. If you're missing the savory goodness of a non-vegan breakfast, then might I recommend avocado toast? Just cut your avocado in half, remove the pit, use a butter knife to cube the avocado right in the shell, and then squeeze out the cubes directly onto your toast. Top with vegan Parmesan and diced tomatoes. Yum! Number 2. Oatmeal. This is probably the most vegan meal of all time, and yet, so many non-vegans enjoy it. Besides how warm and comforting it is, there are so many ways you can serve and prepare it. On the stove, in the microwave, or even in your Instant Pot. Some of its favorite toppings are Ceylon cinnamon, ripe pears, and dried cranberries, but you can go wild and make it however you like. Number 3. Cereal or muesli with fruit, nuts, and plant milk. Many kinds of cereal are already vegan, so just check for any dairy in the ingredients first. Some cereals contain vitamin D3, which is technically not vegan. So keep an eye out for that. You might also have to test out different types of plant milk before you find the one that suits you best, but cereal has to be the easiest way I can think of to easily veganize a familiar meal. If you want a super easy and super healthy alternative to cereal, try making your own muesli. You just need rolled oats as your base, and the rest can be made with ingredients you already have in your pantry. Number 4. Pancakes, waffles, or crepes. A lot of new vegans are surprised to learn that you can make delicious vegan pancakes, waffles, or even crepes without eggs or cow milk. And you won't even taste the difference. Kind of makes you wonder why there are eggs in those recipes in the first place. This pancake recipe is quick, tasty, and requires no special ingredients. Number 5. Smoothie bowl. Smoothies are such a simple way to make sure you're hitting your fruit and veggie counts for the day. You can use frozen fruit. It is so easy and has much longer shelf life. Add a ripe banana for sweetness and plant milk of choice for a little creaminess. Throw in fresh or frozen greens for the win. Plus you can add all sorts of extras like flaxseed or spirulina. Drink it like a regular smoothie or make it fancy by arranging fruit, nuts, or hemp seeds for an Instagram-worthy breakfast. Easy vegan lunches. Lunch has always been one of those strange meals. Eat too much, and you won't be hungry for dinner. Eat too little and you'll be hangry all afternoon. Plus, most people don't have hours to spend laboring over their weekday lunches. If you need to pack your weekly lunches, then doing some light meal prepping at the beginning of the week is definitely worth the time. Another great tip is to make extra food each night and pack leftovers the next day. But if you're in the mood for something decidedly lunchy and easy to throw together, here is the list of easy vegan lunches. Number 1. Mexican Black Bean Salad. Making this salad is so simple: mixed greens, black beans, corn kernels, diced tomatoes or bell peppers, diced red onion, half an avocado, cilantro, and olive oil. These days, I usually skip the olive oil in favor of a dollop of soy yogurt, but you can top it off however you like. Number 2. Chickpea Salad Sandwich or Wrap. To veganize your favorite chicken salad recipe, simply substitute a can of rinsed and drained chickpeas for the chicken and vegan aioli or unsweetened yogurt for the mayo. You can change it up to whatever style you like. Serve on bread, in a wrap, over lettuce, in lettuce cups, or even with crackers. There are so many delicious ways to eat this easy and delicious lunch classic. Number 3. Nut Butter and Jam Sandwich. When it comes to easy vegan meals, this one is a classic. Add a few raw veggies or an apple, and this is a simple yet hearty lunch for the ages. Number 4. Hummus and Cucumber Sandwich. Just toast your favorite sandwich bread, spread with hummus, add sliced cucumber and mixed greens or microgreens, and you've got an easy, healthy, and filling vegan sandwich. Pair it with an apple and carrot sticks, and that's lunch. Number 5. Veggie Wrap with Hummus. When you're on the go and don't have time to sit and eat a big salad, a veggie wrap or sandwich is a super quick and super delicious lunch option. Just spread your hummus on the wrap or bread, pile on some lettuce or spinach and pre-chopped veggies, and that's it. Lazy vegan snacks. Whether you need a little something to hold you over until dinner or you just want to relax in the evening with a little something to munch on, snacks are there to save the day. And while it seems like there are always new, healthy vegan snacks appearing on store shelves, there are also some really simple and healthy snacks you can make at home. Number 1. Veggies with hummus. To make it easier on yourself, pre-chop the veggies at the beginning of the week and store in the fridge in an airtight container lined with a paper towel or small kitchen towel. This will keep the veggies from getting too damp or soggy. Then when you're hungry, just pull out the container. Number 2. Apple with nut butter. You will love the flavor combo of crisp pink lady apple slices with homemade almond butter. Number 3. Rice cakes with jam or nut butter. Rice cakes have a really satisfying crunchy texture, and you can topping them with some homemade almond butter and 2-ingredient berry jam. This is a great afternoon snack for keeping you full until dinner. Number 4. Popcorn. Popcorn is so easy to make on the stove or in an air popper. To make it vegan, just skip the butter. Instead, use olive oil, nutritional yeast, or whatever seasonings you have on hand for flavor. 5 ingredients vegan dinners. Before getting into the actual recipes, here are a few quick dinner ideas. Some of these use store-bought ingredients or frozen vegetables, and that's okay. All of these vegan recipes have 5 main ingredients or less and can be prepared in less than 30 minutes. Spaghetti with vegan meat sauce equals marinara sauce plus TVP crumbles plus spaghetti pesto gnocchi with broccoli equals vegan gnocchi plus vegan pesto plus roasted broccoli. Quick stir fry equals frozen mixed veggies plus soy sauce plus cubed tofu plus rice. Black bean tacos equals corn tortillas plus black beans plus sautéed, fresh or frozen, bell peppers and onions plus salsa. Loaded sweet potatoes, baked sweet potatoes plus sautéed kale plus chickpeas plus vegan bacon bits plus tahini or vegan yogurt. Easy vegan dinners. Getting a healthy and delicious dinner on the table every night seems to be the place where people struggle the most. Add an extra difficulty that most of us weren't raised on plant-based meals, and it's a recipe for frustration. But it doesn't have to be that way. You can come up with a base of simple and easy dinners and you can rely on during those hectic weeknights, and use the weekends to experiment with new recipes, batch cook, or make more complicated dishes. Number 1. Cherry tomato and basil pasta. This one couldn't be easier. Just boil your pasta and sauté red onions and cherry tomatoes. When the tomatoes start to get soft, mash them up with a potato masher and add a little water to deglaze and make a sauce. Garnish with fresh basil, balsamic glaze, and vegan parmesan. This is such an easy meal, you won't believe how flavorful and delicious it is. Number 2. Quick and easy black bean burrito bowl. There are all sorts of variations on the burrito bowl, but sometimes the simplest is best. You just need 5 to 6 main ingredients and your favorite toppings. In 20 minutes, you'll have a Chipotle-worthy bowl of goodness. Number 3. Quick curry with tofu or lentils and rice. Rice is so nice. It's so filling and goes with so many cuisines. For this meal, you don't have to do any prep work because you can use frozen mixed vegetables. Just sautéed in a pan with coconut milk and a few tablespoons of curry paste while your rice is cooking. Throw in chopped tofu or lentils and you're done. Number 4. A hearty vegetable-based soup or stew. Any soup can be veganized by simply leaving out the meat and using a vegetable broth base. For a creamy soup, sub coconut milk or nutritional yeast. Feel free to switch things up by adding broccoli, corn, spinach, kale, or whatever fresh or frozen veggies you have on hand. Sheet pan veggies with couscous or barley. If you're trying to use up a lot of fresh veggies at once, but not sure how they'll all go together, you can throw everything on a sheet pan with some seasonings and bake on high heat for 20 to 40 minutes. Heat up some couscous or barley and serve with a dollop of vegan yogurt. You can roast most any veggie you like, but there are 2 things to keep in mind. 1. Don't overcrowd your sheet pan. You can use 2 if you need to. 2. Consider the size and density of each veggie. Potatoes and carrots take longer to cook than tomatoes or sliced onions, but you can always pre-cook the denser vegetables and add the others after 10 or 20 minutes. Please, if you like this video, like it and share it with your friends so that this video can be seen by more people and you can help people like you who need this video. And also support us. And please ask in the comments your biggest problems about losing weight so that we can produce quality videos about them so that all your problems can be solved. Are you struggling to lose weight on a vegan diet? Let us know which tips you plan to implement in the comments below. Have you lost weight as a vegan? Share your journey in the comments below to inspire others. Look no further for your weight loss training needs. Learn everything with our professional trainers. Only this weight loss channel is enough for you, and you can easily lose weight just by following and watching our videos from beginner to professional. We have a separate category for each topic that you can watch videos related to each topic in its own playlist. Only need to play your favorite playlist, see it again and again to become a professional in that subject, and you do not need anything else. If you are interested in this style of videos, please subscribe our page and click the bell next to it to be informed about our new videos.